Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we will be going through the problem for January 5, which is longest increasing subsequence. Now, it, the date I'm solving this problem on is like really late in the calendar, but again, I wanted to stick true to the whole, how's it, the whole promise of solving one LeetCode solution every day. So I will be clumping a lot of solutions together in multiple videos now. Okay, nice. Then let's try to understand the question. Given an integer array nums, we have to return the length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence. What does strictly increasing subsequence mean? It's like let's say for example we took 2, then a strictly increasing subsequence here would be 2, 3, 7, 101. Non-strict might be 2, 3, 5, 7, 101, 18, like that. Then again, like non-strictly can be started from here as well, right? I'm kind of confused like how it will work, but again, strictly increasing basically means that 2 5 won't work. 2 5 is 1, then 2 5 should be skipped. 2 3 7 1 0 1 is 1. Okay, now let's go to the whiteboard and try to understand the solution that we can come up with for this one. So this particular element should be greater than j. Is I which is here greater than j? No. I will move here. Is 2 greater than j? No. Then is 2 greater than j? No. Then j will move here. Is 9 greater than j? No. J comes back to 0. I moves to the next one. Is j greater than 5? Yes. So is I greater than j? No. I greater than j? No. I greater than j? Yes. In this scenario, what will happen is we will take this. Okay. So this is already 1. So max of 1, comma, what j is 2. Okay. So from here we have to count one sequence plus we have to add another element because we are taking the current element into account. 1 plus 1. So max of 1 comma 2, which is 2. So here we will have 2. Got it? Let me quickly erase all of this. So this will be eraser. Yeah, there we go. 2 now. Okay. So now I moves on. Okay. I moves to the next one. 0, no. It's here. 3, yes. So this will become 2 as well. Again, same technique. Now I moves to here. J is da. Okay. 7 is more than 2. Okay. So this will become for 2 again. Now J moves to the next element. Is 5 is less than 7? I, which is 7, is it greater than J, which is 5? Yes, it is. So what will happen in this scenario is 2 plus 1 and max of this 2, which is 3. So that will be the updated value here. So similarly, it goes here. 3 less than 7, yes. I greater than J, yes. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 max is again 3. So now I will come here, J will here be here, 2. So first is this. So this will be updated to 2. Okay. Now J will move here, 2 plus 1, 2, which becomes 3. Now this is 3. 2 plus 1, 3, same. J, we have 3 value, 3 plus 1, 4. Maximum of 3 and 4, 4. So we get 4 here. And that's how we calculate the maximum length subsequence. Let's go. Let me collapse this thing. Okay, Firefox for some reason is not working. Yeah, there we go. I really hope you guys are on the codes page. Yes, you are. Perfect. It took me 21 minutes last time, but yeah, I'll make sure that I don't take it the next time I revise the solution. So to do this, we first have to create that dp length thing. Dp equals one, let's just take a length of nums in a value. Okay, so we need n such items for I in range. What is this? It starts with 1 to n for j in range of I. If dp, not dp, nums of I is greater than nums of j, in this scenario, what we'll do is dp of I equals max of dp of I, comma dp of j plus 1. And we have to return the maximum value inside the dp array. There we go. And if I submit it, there we go. It's 63.92%, which is good. It's good. Okay, then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.